leaves me soar so high. Beneath the moonlight, soft touch your hand in mine gets me every time. Lost in the city lights, our love's electric right.
Oh my god.
You make me feel alive. I know July is gone. You make me feel at home in the neon glow. As the leaves change color, I dive into you. When summer's fading, there's nothing to do but bask in the glory of the winter sun. Maybe this is the season of love. Beneath an endless night, the world.
Hi guys, so today is Sunday 8th December 2024 and we are actually home, and I'm rocking this outfit that was given to me by my mother 2 years ago. I was just thinking of what to put on this morning and I come across this outfit and I decided to put it on as if I'm going to church. But to be honest, I'm not going to church. You know, putting on this outfit actually flashback the memory when I visited them last year and last 2 years. You know, it was around this time, it was even around this time, and you know, it was fun. I really miss them so much. My plan was that every year I want to go like spending the Christmas with them, but you see that Nigeria airport, that Benin airport stroke Lagos airport, you see that airport, what they make me go through that last 2 years or more. Anytime I just think about going, I just reverse everything, because the stress what they make me pass through, the frustration, the cry, those people made me cry. When I say cry, they made me cry like this. I was crying. You know, that airport there, anytime I just think about, you know, going to Nigeria, I just I beg, I'm not ready. So yeah, but to be honest, I miss my family, because this year my plan was that I'll be going to visit them, but anyways, there's another year. There's next year, because I don't know if it was because I was with Priscilla, that was why they were like that. I beg, the stress was just too much. I cried though. I won't even lie to you guys, I cried. Those people, they're ready to frustrate your life. Nothing like the Christmas spent with family, guys. You know, it's different, guys. Around this time you would have been perceiving all the stew, all the rice, all the market. You know, when you go to the market, where everything is, you know. So we're actually home. Like I said, today is Sunday and we are home doing nothing. There's this outfit that I got from Ibobi for Priscilla. Yeah, I'm just gonna try it on for her. Ibobi is one of the favorite websites that I love to shop for Priscilla at times, because they have some nice quality outfit for kids, because I think their website is just made specially for kids. So yeah, they have some quality nice stuff, but you can never trust them at times. So I got this outfit about 3 weeks ago, but I don't really have the time to unbox it. So we are going to be unboxing it with Priscilla. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I've opened it already. Like I told you guys, it's been like 3 weeks ago that I got this outfit, but there was no time for me to unbox it. So today we are ready to do it with you guys. You cannot even wait for me to check it. Hey goodness, God. Which one?
La même entre les oreilles.
So go back there. So guys, this is the first pajama. Turn your back. First outfit from Ibo.
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
I actually take this particular one for Yeah, for photo shoot. She's excited. So see, this is the first one that I took. Yeah. Yeah, wait now, wait. I know you are excited. Just wait. I know you are excited. Just wait. Well, let me show them how it looks like. So
I'm good. Actually, more than good.
So this is the second outfit that we got. This second dress. This kind of remember me when I was little, because I used to wear this type of outfit a lot. It has this white stuff, this white collar. What did they call it? The hand is like this. This is how the material is. It looks like this suede, but it's very beautiful. Turn. Yes, you guys should just see my baby now. All the sizes have from 6 years, guys, but she will be 6 by February. So all the outfit that I took is from 6 to 7. They look cute. Going to see it like this when you are over shaking. When you're over shaking. What do you think about your outfit?
I like it.
Are you ready to show them the next one?
Yeah.
So this is another one. So this is just like the first one, but a little bit different, because that one has white and this one doesn't have. The hand is like this. It has this stuff here. So this is how the back is. It has this 3 button at the back. And the material is just like this, and this is beautiful. This is one of my favorites. It's not too big. I took a lot of dresses because these days she preferred dress. I don't know if she want to go to school. She just say, "Mommy, I want to put on dress. I don't want jeans."
Keep playing. Am I high or am I crazy? Mind that you take me back.
So this is another design that I also took. Well, let me do the button for you. So this is how it is. It is so beautiful. It has this little cute bow at the hand. You know, it's giving us the vibe of that chateau princess. It has this button down at the back. Yeah. Actually comes with this, but I don't know exactly where to fit this. Maybe at the back. So I think this one is meant to be at the back there. I think you need to fit it here. Guys, I took this hose because it's cold now, so she needed hose like to wear with those dress. And this is how it is. It is so beautiful, and the quality is very good. It comes with 4 pieces. I took the black and the gray, as well the pink and the white. Bobby has a lot of beautiful items, but you know, when you order things from there, just make sure that you are home on the day of their delivering day, because if they come, they didn't see you at home, they will go with your whatever what you have ordered for. So I also ordered this cute bow. This is very, very beautiful. So I took this one as well. It's like this, the first one. Very, very cute. Very, very cute, guys. I took this one as well.
To your eyes, I see we're out of time. I guess no one's to blame, nobody crossed the line. I guess we couldn't see, somehow we couldn't feel. Maybe we moved too fast, maybe we got too high.